The life of Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin is a name that has become synonymous with the theory of evolution. Born on February 12, 1809, in Shrewsbury, England, Darwin is best known for his groundbreaking work on the origin of species and the theory of natural selection. His life and work have shaped the way we understand the natural world and continue to inspire and challenge scientists and philosophers alike. Early life and education. Charles Robert Darwin was the fifth of 6 children born to Robert Darwin and Susannah Wedgwood. His father was a successful doctor and financier, while his mother was from a family of pottery manufacturers. Darwin was born into a family of wealth and privilege, which allowed him to pursue his interests and education without financial constraints. At an early age, Darwin showed an interest in the natural world. He spent much of his childhood exploring the countryside, collecting plants, insects, and other specimens. However, his father was disappointed with his son's lack of interest in pursuing a medical career, and he sent him to study at the University of Edinburgh to become a doctor. Darwin found the medical curriculum uninteresting and challenging, and he soon dropped out of the program. His father then sent him to study theology at Christ's College, Cambridge, with the hope that he would become a clergyman. During his time at Cambridge, Darwin became friends with John Stevens Henslow, a botanist, who introduced him to the world of natural history. The Voyage of the Beagle. In 1831, at the age of 22, Darwin was offered a position as a naturalist on the HMS Beagle, a survey ship that was embarking on a 5-year journey around the world. This voyage would prove to be a turning point in Darwin's life and would shape his views on evolution. During the voyage, Darwin collected and studied a vast array of plants, animals, and fossils from South America, the Galapagos Islands, and other locations. His observations of the unique species on the Galapagos Islands, such as the finches, tortoises, and iguanas, would later play a crucial role in the development of his theory of natural selection. During the voyage, Darwin also experienced a severe case of seasickness, which forced him to spend much of his time on land, exploring and studying the natural world. This gave him the opportunity to develop his skills as an observer and naturalist, and he also started to question the prevailing beliefs about the origin of species. Upon his return to England in 1836, Darwin began to organize and analyze the vast amount of data he had collected during his voyage. He also corresponded with scientists and experts in various fields, sharing his observations and ideas. In 1859, Darwin published his most famous work on the origin of species by means of natural selection. In this groundbreaking book, Darwin put forward the theory that all species of organisms evolve over time through the process of natural selection. He argued that the environment selects the traits that are most beneficial for survival and reproduction, leading to changes in species over time. The publication of On the Origin of Species caused a sensation and sparked intense debate among scientists, religious leaders, and the public. Many were resistant to Darwin's ideas, as they contradicted the belief in divine creation and the idea of a fixed and unchanging species. Later life and legacy. Despite the controversy surrounding his work, Darwin continued to publish numerous books and papers on evolution and natural selection. He also devoted time to studying and writing about other topics, such as geology, botany, and psychology. In 1859, Darwin moved to Down House in Kent, where he lived for the rest of his life. He married his cousin, Emma Wedgwood, and they had 10 children together. Darwin's health began to decline in his later years, and he suffered from various illnesses, including heart problems. He passed away on April 19, 1882, at the age of 73. Darwin's legacy continues to shape our understanding of the natural world. His theory of evolution by natural selection is considered one of the most significant scientific breakthroughs of all time and has had a profound influence on fields such as biology, genetics, and anthropology. His work has also sparked ongoing debates and discussions about the relationship between science and religion, and the implications of evolution for human society. Darwin is celebrated as one of the most influential scientists in history, and his contributions to the field of natural history and evolution continue to be studied and debated by scientists and scholars worldwide. In conclusion, Charles Darwin's life and work have had a lasting impact on our understanding of the natural world. His curiosity, determination, and passion for science led him on a journey that forever changed our understanding of the origins of life. His legacy continues to inspire future generations of scientists to push the boundaries of knowledge and challenge our understanding of the world around us.